How to enable mobile check deposit on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can enable mobile check deposit on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enable mobile check deposit on Cash App, all you have to do is simply open up Cash App and just make sure that you're signed into the account. Tap on the home icon located at the bottom left of the screen over there. As you do that, under more ways to add money, you'll find this option that says checks. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the little checks option there. Once you tap on checks, enter the amount that is in the check. Then once done, you have to scan the front side and the back side of the check. So make sure to place the check in front of you, and you need to have Cash App deposit under signature as well. You need to have written that under the signature tab. Then right here you can see scan submit check. You can tap on front and you can tap on back. Then once done, take the photo of front side as well as the back side, then scan and submit it, and if Cash App approves it, your check will get successfully approved. This way you can enable mobile check deposit on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.